Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a scrapbook layout, and I'm using the Fireside paper pad by Recollections from Michaels. We're going to use these two sheets and we will cut one side, this side. I normally use an 8.5 by 11 sheet, and then this side of the sheet. And for a background for the pictures, I'm using this, and also it's from the Fireside paper pad by Recollections. I've already cut the pieces out, and so this is what it looks like. Like this. So from the other pieces that were left over, I cut out the reindeer and also the poinsettia, and we're just gonna pop dot it over, or I'm gonna use foam adhesive instead. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I have the layouts right here for the backgrounds for the photos. And this is it right here. This is what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and put this together. I'm using my ATG gun. I should use my Recollections one. So I'm trying to get as many videos as I can out before Christmas, because I got sick and couldn't do them, and I have all the supplies for it, and I need to get it out, and plus I need to do these layouts for myself because these are for me. I need them for pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and do a foam adhesive on the flower or the poinsettia. There it is. I'm going to do the same with the reindeer. I'm going to put this on the back of the tail. I did it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, let's put a saying, a sentiment on there. And I'm going to use the same papers from the paper pad. And I'm going to, let's see, I think these right here. These would work. I like these a lot. That right there. Should we put gold in here? I want to put something right here. I don't know what. Holidays, nope, too much. Okay, I think I am done. I'm trying to find something else for that little piece. I should have did that. But I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just adding. Maybe I'll put a poinsettia at the bottom. Like this one right here. I'm gonna do another one of these. I'm gonna do a few before the 25th. Is that too much? Yeah, I think that's too much. So I think we're gonna leave it like this. Well, this is it. Here is the layouts. Let me zoom in just a little. Here are the layouts. And that's my video for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye.